Deputy Commissioner Kariboi District u Abhilash Baranwal u IAS Officer Mantakasngi ka khatlai trigu Nailar u lapli paidbah no iaka Nongpoh Shopping Carnivals ha Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex da ka jingthmu ban khring ya ki paidbah bakin wanrung shapo kanika complex bat ha ka ju kapor ban penphu ban phing ya kanika shopping complex bat ban aiman sim ya ki ba shong dukan hapo kanika building bakin pli man la kasngi ha kanika sngi Nailar u Deputy Commissioner Kariboi District la sakhilang ro da kong birani ADC Kariboi District uba Eric Calvin Dekhar u BDO ka umling CNRD block lembat QA officer nagatanat urban kumban supentip katei ka yeu lane ka Nongpoh Shopping Carnivals kabalayo aban sedang mentakasngi la penlong iaka da ka Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex ha ka jingias no ktilang ka CNG store bat kane ka yeu kan ne sausngi ya ka ba unsapun kut pat haduh ka khan rutri Nailar.
So I hereby declare the Nongpoh Shopping Carnival 2025 open. Come to this shopping carnival, please take advantage of this. And this shopping carnival is something which we intend to hold recurrently. It will not just be one-off affair. The idea is to revitalize this entire shopping complex. It should not merely remain a pipe dream that when it came to Nongpoh, everyone thought that we are going to have a shopping complex sort of thing, shopping mall sort of thing, but then unfortunately for whatever reasons, those dreams have not been realized yet. But thanks to the efforts being made by my very capable ADC, Kongrani, that we are seeing this today when this shopping carnival will officially kind of mark the culmination of one episode of all the efforts. But this was only one episode. All efforts will continue until the dreams with which this Muda complex was constructed will be realized. As a Deputy Commissioner, it's very easy for me to just give ideas, but then ultimate execution is the real deal, and that has been done by Kongrani. So many congratulations to her. And not to forget my officers from Urban Affairs, Sanjay, and especially Shoy. He has been working relentlessly, having dual roles, wherein he is also performing some duties over here at shopping complex, simultaneously at Nongpoh Town Committee also. So it's his relentless efforts also which has helped us in transpiring this day. So congratulations, and this is not just a day although the invitation card went from our office, but this is dedicated to entire Nongpoh, all the shopkeepers, and especially to all the shoppers. Thank you. Khubla Shibun. Jai Hind.